It is day 3 of Attorney General Ken Paxton's impeachment trial, Senate impeachment trial in Austin. It continues at the state capitol with testimony set to last until approximately 6 o'clock. The day's testimony once again was led by the prosecution as they presented their second and third whistleblowers of the trial. KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz is live at the newsroom. And Mario, how powerful was this testimony today?
Keith, extremely. The whistleblower taking the stand all day long. I should say whistleblowers here. And again, these are not just ordinary low-level employees. These are Republicans that Ken Paxton embraced and served at the highest levels of his office. One whistleblower, Ryan Banger, is the former Deputy First Assistant Attorney General. He spent 4 hours on the stand answering questions from both sides. The lead attorney prosecuting Ken Paxton is Rusty Hardin. He did not waste any time focusing on the relationship between Paxton and his friend, as well as political donor Nate Paul. Banger testifying that he and others had questions over the behavior shown by AG Paxton to assist Paul at all costs. Paul, a business owner in Austin, was having financial troubles with his real estate business and facing foreclosures. Banger said after months of seeing the Attorney General acting unlawfully and using his public office to help Nate Paul, he and others went to the FBI. But at the end of Paxton's cross-examination, they made it appear that perhaps the Attorney General actually knew more than them about helping his friend and political donor.
Prior to your term as a politician, did you or did you not practice real estate law? No. Paxton practiced real estate law, did he not?
I believe he had some real estate experience back in his past.
Okay. So when you guys are going back and forth regarding the definition of things, it's possible he had some background knowledge of what settlement services meant?
In this case, that was not the best interpretation.
Okay. That's your opinion, sir, correct?
No, that's the law.
That's your opinion.
I disagree.
Okay.
Banger was a powerful witness, truly connecting Paxton and Paul. After him, another whistleblower, Ryan Vassar. He took the stand and he got emotional, expressing the frustrations over being labeled as a rogue employee for turning Paxton into the FBI.
I worked for the state for 8 years as a public servant, as one who values.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
Yes. Thank you. As one who values the commitment to public service, to set an example for my kids, the people that I worked with, the people that I managed, and it's contrary, the statement of being rogue is contrary to the years that I dedicated my life to the state.
Again, Vassar, another high-ranking employee, part of the executive staff under Paxton, and a Republican who believed in their boss until they say he broke the law. As for Ken Paxton, for the second day in a row, he was nowhere to be found, opting not to attend his own impeachment trial. Live in the newsroom, Mario Diaz, KPRC2 investigates.